Senate. Under siege yung Senate. I mean, that depends kung ano yung magiging report doon since nag-lockdown talaga yung Senate dati sa confirmed fact. And wala na yung mga police ngayon pero sobrang dami ng mga police kanina. So, sa tabi lang sila. Overtime na. Well, there are multiple ways to interpret that pero nagkagulo talaga and that's all that we have confirmed. It's a very messy situation. It was the NBI versus the Senate security, so sobrang gulo talaga ng ganong klaseng situation when it's Filipino or multiple parts of the Philippine government is fighting itself.
Salot sa iyo.
Thank you.
Sa bayan ka.
Well, good support ako doon. I'd prefer not to share a nationality with Trillanes as well, pero sometimes you just have to let people like that do their own thing kasi ganun talaga si Trillanes. May sarili siya, he has his own world where, yes, it's very damaging pero hindi din natin alam what's his relation with the ICC. Ano talaga yung ICC because giving the warrant to Trillanes and having a private citizen serve the warrant during a Senate session, that's maybe they have different laws there talaga. Iba talaga yung The Hague paano sila yun, but we don't do that here in the Philippines.
Thank you so much.
Pero lang po katanungan.
Nakakalungkot dahil nawawala yung respeto ng mga ibang ahensya ng gobyerno sa independence ng ating Senado. At nakakahiya dahil meron tayong mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na ang